Magtagalog ka lang.
Huh? Whoa.
Yeah.
Matamis yata yun eh.
What's this? What's this?
Gang gang.
Spider-Man, bro.
Is this gang gang?
This is gang gang?
Yeah.
Yes. Ano po kasi? Nadala po kasi ako. Kala ko English.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, what's up?
How you doing, sir?
How you doing, sir?
Hey.
Where you from?
Where you from?
Hi.
Are you in the
Where you
Philippines?
Are you in the Philippines?
Yes.
Nice.
Where are you from?
I'm from the U.S.
Oh.
Do you speak Tagalog or
Speak Tagalog. I'm speak Tagalog.
Huh?
which part of the Philippines are you from?
Northern Samar. Northern Samar.
Northern Samar.
Yes.
Oh. Are you good in English?
Huh?
Are you good
What?
in English?
I'm not fluent in English.
Oh. Magtagalog ka lang.
Patay ka! That's very nice. Galing mo pala. Dapat
Tagalog
eh.
ka naman kasi nag-English
Tagalog
ka.
ka naman kasi nag-English ka.
Ay, nakunak din na scam. Naputok.
Ginagawa niyo dito?
Ano? Naghahanap ng mga bagong kaibigan, ganyan.
Ayun.
Hanapak yung balo. Yung
Balo?
walang mga
Ano
asawa
yung
daw,
balo?
single mom.
Single
Yung
mom?
ng isang anak.
Single mom.
Kala ko hindi ka marunong Tagalog.
Nagko-content ako ngayon sa YouTube.
Nagko-content.
Anong pangalan mo dun?
YouTube Famo. I-type ko sa ano. Yeah, look up
Sabi
niyan.
mo?
Yeah, look up niya.
I-upload ko kayo.
Tuloy, baka din. I-upload kicks it.
Yeah, mag-shoutout kayo. Shoutout taga Samar.
Samar. Shout out sa lahat ng taga Samar.
Famo, pangalan channel.
Fame mo,
Subscribe na lang
pangalan
kayo.
channel. Subscribe na lang kayo.
Sige.
Yeah, yan kuya.
Ayan, kuya.
Eh, yun. I-focus yan sa YouTube.
Ay, upload ko.
Ay,
Famo,
upload ko.
pangalan channel.
Fame
Natin
mo,
mo.
pangalan channel. Natin mo.
Kala ko yung hindi marunong mag-Tagalog, hirap mag-English.
Kita tayo sa YouTube.
Sige.
Yeah, ingat kayo dyan. Yo, I know you.
Yo, I know you. Huh?
Whoa. Me?
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What you doing over here?
What you doing over here?
What?
What you doing on Omi
What you
TV?
doing on Omi TV?
Finding some friends.
Finding some friends?
Finding some friends?
Yes. How about you?
Man, I'm just finding some
I'm
friends.
just finding some friends.
Same as you.
Do you have YouTube?
Yeah. How'd you know that?
Yeah, how'd you know that?
Nothing. Can I subscribe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll give you my YouTube.
YouTube.
Fame. How many subscribe?
Konti lang. Hindi
Konti
masyado
lang.
marami.
Hindi masyado marami.
Atay!
Marami.
Atay! Yawa. Hello ko English. Yawa.
Okay ba?
Okay ba?
Bisaya, alam mo?
Dili.
Dili.
Dili. Atay.
Salamat kaayo.
Salamat sa ayo.
Sige.
Yung
Hindi,
YouTube ko.
Yung
hanapin
YouTube
mo.
ko, hanapin mo.
Para
Para
upload ko to.
upload ko to.
Upload mo?
Para makita yung sarili
Para
mo.
makita mo yung sarili mo.
Thank you.
Oo.
Pa-shoutout na lang. Shoutout sa Paracha family. Yun lang.
Yo.
Nice.
Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ang
Sige,
pangalan mo?
thank you.
Ang pangalan mo?
Beans.
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 Pay.
Pay.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Nice to meet you,
Yeah,
Beans.
nice to meet you, Vince. Yeah, thank you.
Solid.
Yo, what's going on? Hello?
Where are you from?
The U.S. Where y'all from?
Philippines.
Which part?
What?
Which part of the Philippines?
North.
North, south,
Yeah.
east,
Northern.
west.
North.
Oh, north. Okay.
Yeah.
Like, is it Manila or?
Near Manila.
I know a little bit. I have some Filipino friends.
Pangasinan.
Oh, Pangasinan. Isn't it
Yeah.
Ilocano over there?
Yeah. It is.
Yeah, I know some Ilocano friends here. I have 2 Ilocano friends.
Oh.
So
Yeah.
do you know how to speak Ilocano?
Ilocano, I know when,
Ah, yeah.
That means yes.
made. Is it made?
That means no.
Yeah.
And napintas ka?
Hey,
That means you're pretty. You're beautiful.
Nice. Those are the only words I know. Why are you guys so good at English? Wow. You guys are fluent?
kinda.
Okay, thank you.
It's our second language here.
I've met a couple of Filipinos on here. They speak English, but not as good as y'all. You guys are pretty good.
Slay.
Thanks.
Did you say slay?
We're Gen Z.
What are you guys doing here?
We're just bored.
They're making paper stars.
Making what?
Paper stars.
What, for school or something?
For
For school?
though.
No. We're just bored. So this is the only thing that we all know.
Oh, there's another one.
She's also making paper stars.
Yeah.
What's the, like, how does it look like when you're done with it? I want to see it.
Wait.
Oh, wow, that's pretty. Cool. So what else, what interesting things can you tell me about the Philippines?
It has a lot of tourist attractions.
Tourist attraction.
Wait, in Pangasinan, what's the tourist attraction over there?
100 islands.
100 islands.
100 islands? So it's literally 100 islands.
Yeah.
No.
There's a island hopping. You can rent a boat.
Can you do that in one day? Like just go with the different islands in one day? Really?
Yeah.
No.
Wow.
Yeah. It's
Crazy.
fun. You should try it when you come here in Philippines.
Okay. How about you guys teach me some Tagalog words? Tagalog or Ilocano?
Tagalog.
Yeah.
What's a basic word so that when I go to the Philippines, like I know how to speak with the locals?
How are you?
Yeah.
How are you means
Kamusta
kamusta ka?
Oh, that one I know. That one I know. I know kamusta ka, and then
When
I
you go
know.
in Philippines, and there's a transportation which is jeepney here. When you go in, you say bayad po, which means
You're gonna give the payment
yeah.
to the driver.
Oh, like that's like the fee you give when you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes. And if
Oh,
you
is
go,
it one of those Jeep? Like it looks like those Jeep Wranglers, but they're longer.
yeah.
Yeah, they're like a
Wow.
minibus.
Wow. Yeah, I've never tried that. I've always wanted to ride one of those things. It's only in the Philippines, right? I don't think I've seen that in any other country.
Yeah, only in the Philippines, I think.
So
And
what
if
is it?
you're-
Bayad po?
Bayad.
Bayad po.
Yeah.
Nice.
And when you're going to stop, you say para po.
Para or para?
Para.
Para po. What about foods? What's your Filipino food? I know adobo. You know adobo? That's
Yes.
my favorite Filipino food, adobo.
We just had that for dinner.
Man, it's making me hungry.
Do you know sinigang?
Sinigang? What is that?
Game. Pork.
Is it pork?
It can be pork or fish.
What does it taste like? Is it sweet? Is it
It's
Sour.
sour.
sour? Ooh. Oh, I think I know that. That's like a soup, right? Like a soup?
Yeah.
Like
Do you know halo-halo?
halo halo.
Yeah.
No. What is that? What's one thing that's only for Pangasinan? Like it's a specialty of Pangasinan.
Yeah. Tupig.
Two pig? Like two
Two
pigs?
Yeah.
Is it pig?
No.
It's a dessert.
Matamis ba?
Oo.
Inakalimutan ko lasa.
Yeah.
Oh, matamis yata yun eh.
So the whole time, bro. The whole time.
The whole time. Ano?
I think he's gonna post
What's
this
your
on
secret?
TikTok.
Not on TikTok, on YouTube.
Sa atin ang West Philippine Sea.
Hi na kayo sa YouTube.
Hi!
Hi kayo sa YouTube. Ito yung channel ko.
Hi, YouTube.
Famo.
Hi.
Check nyo na lang.
Sige po.
Famo.
Kaya kanina pa kami na nosebleed
Subscribe
dito.
ko na.
Hindi kayo nosebleed. Proud
Medyo
Pinoy. Proud Pinoy.
Sakto lang.
Na nga eh.
Half ako, half. Half Filipino.
Half ano pa po yung isa?
So half Arabo. And then half adobo.
Kuha yung accent ng mga ano.
Yeah.
Your accent was really good though.
Gulat si ate sa likod. No?
Ayan,
Thank you.
dami yan.
Subscribe na lang. Subscribe, please.
Yes po.
Yes po.
Ingat po.
Yeah. Ingat. Thank you. Yeah.
Po.
Bye. Peace.
Don't forget the para po.
Yo.
Hey bro.
Hey, what's going on?
Where you from, bro? Where you
I'm
from?
from the US.
US.
What about y'all?
What about you? What's your name?
Faith.
Faith.
F-A-Y.
F-A-Y.
Yeah, I'm a
What are
guy.
you doing?
You see the beard?
You see the beard? Yeah, bro. That's cool.
Yeah.
Ginagawa mo.
Like,
Gang.
PS5, bro.
What's this?
Gang.
What's this?
Gang.
Spider-Man, bro.
Is this gang gang?
Spider-Man.
This is gang gang.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ganito ba yun? Ganito?
Gang sign, bro. Yeah.
Ganito?
Ganito.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Ang lakas ng tama mo.
Nag-English ka.
English ka. Nag-English na ako.
Lakas mo, boy.
Tagalog ka na lang, nahihirapan ka na.
Tagalog ka pala. Mukha ka kasi ano eh. Mukha ka kasing Amerikano eh. Mukha ka kasing Amerikano eh.
Ang ginagawa niyo dito? Mukhang
Ala,
habibi.
natitik lang.
Habibi.
Pre, lagay ka nga ng ano,
Naman
pre. Yung
ganyan.
ganito, pre.
Naman ganyan.
Ganito mo. Ganyan. You are vlogger? Ayan. Ito,
Vlogger.
Vlogger.
Ikaw si vlogger daw. Ayan, ganyan po yun.
Hi kayo sa YouTube.
Hi kayo sa YouTube.
Uy, YouTube.
Ito ilalagay ko.
Bro,
Ito ilalagay ka.
ano whitey mo, pre?
Famo.
Fimo.
Andali nga.
Nice one.
Subscribe na lang
Sa
kayo.
patol.
Subscribe na lang kayo ah.
Okay, pre, subscribe ka namin.
Andali. Ano?
Famo.
Famo
na.
daw.
Famo. Bilis.
Bili.
Ayun.
Uy.
Ito ba?
Uy.
Ito ka ba?
Yan. Pakisubscribe na lang.
Yan. Pakisubscribe na lang.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayoko nga.
Thank you.
Joke.
Uy!
Joke lang.
Huwag naman ganyan.
Ayun, okay
Ayun
na.
na, pre. Oh, subscribed na yan, tol.
Yeah, subscribed na pala.
Subscribed na pala eh.
Yeah, thank you ah.
Yeah, thank you ah.
Sige, sige.
Makikita niyo yung mga mukha niyo.
Makikita niyo yung mukha niyo.
Sige, sige.
Reels lang ka, reels lang, reels. Ingat ka dyan, pre. Ingat ka dyan.
Abangan ko yung vlog mo.
Yeah, guys.
Oo.
Oo.
Bye na, pre. Love you,
Bye,
kuis.
It's
a
beauty. Hi.
Hey, how you doing? Are you dancing or what are you doing? TikTok?
No, nothing. I was just bored, so that's why I'm just dancing while singing like that. Anyway, how are you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm good too. Anyway, what are you doing here?
I'm just bored, just looking for people to talk to. What about you? What are you doing on Oma TV?
Finding some kachika. You know what kachika means? Kachika is someone who
Kachika?
can talk to like that because I'm bored. Chika, like that. Talk.
Like this?
Like that, chica. Yes. And chica means someone who can talk like that.
Like this?
Talking.
Like this?
Talking, chica.
Wow, even when you talk, you do the dance thing. Chica.
Oh my God, signal.
Are you in the Philippines?
Yes.
Oh. Which part?
Mindanao.
Mindanao. Is that the north or south or east or west
South.
or southwest? Oh, south.
South.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Mindanao, so we are Bisaya. So Philippines has various of culture. There's Filipino, like Sigapunon culture, Bisaya, Ilonggo. So that's why there's some variety of culture. Sorry, because I can't.
Is it Salamat Kaayo?
Oh yes. Salamat kaayo means thank you very much.
Oh, Salamat Kaayo. That's all I know.
Yes.
Wait, your friends are laughing over there. What are you laughing about?
It's my sister.
What is the main food of Mindanao?
So
Yeah.
main food in Mindanao, humba. Humba. Yes.
Hombak?
Humba. Humba.
Oh, humba.
It's a pork. Yeah.
Oh.
It's a pork. It's kind of adobo. A food in Philippines. There are adobo, caldereta.
Oh, adobo.
But,
I know adobo.
humba. Yeah. But humba is a difference. It's a different. But humba is a pork, not chicken. But if you
Oh.
eat that one, so delicious. Oh my God.
Wow. Do you guys speak Tagalog in Mindanao also or no?
What?
Do you speak Tagalog in Mindanao?
We can speak Tagalog, Bisaya, English. So yeah.
Okay, di Tagalog na lang tayo.
Makakapagsalita
Huwag na
po
tayong
kami ng
mag-English.
Tagalog? Oh my God, sir! Pinahirapan mo pa ako. Sir, pinahirapan mo pa ako, sir. Sakit ng ilong ko, sir.
Nag-English ka kasi, di nag-English na rin ako.
Ano po kasi? Nadala po kasi ako. Kala ko English. Akala ko na. Todo English pa ako. Todo English kahit grammar.
Pilipino ako, Pilipino. Pinoy.
Ano? Filipino ka, sir?
Pilipino ka, half.
Half. Kasi para kang American. Tapos dito mo kaya nakapag-English ako, akala ko apa. Ang cool kasi dito ang cool ka, parang nasa
Taga Sweden.
Nag-YouTube ako ngayon. Mag-hi na kayo sa YouTube. Hi.
Ano, sorry.
Shoutout ka, shoutout.
Ano, nahiya ko, sir.
English, di ba? English.
Ayun
Sir,
yung ano ko.
nahiya ko, sir. Wait lang, sir. Yung English ko, sir.
Okay lang, galing nga na English mo eh. Ka nahihiya. Niligay kay channel ko, check out niya.
Okay, sir. Ano?
Wait.
Okay. Uy,
Kahihiya. Kailangan proud. Proud Pilipino. Proud Pinoy ito, no?
oh, sir. Proud ako. Proud. Proud. Okay, sir. Nakasubscribe na po.
Thank you, ah. Thank you.
Nakasubscribe na po.
Nako. Thank you, thank you. Maraming salamat po.
Hello?
Magkikita tayo sa, magkikita tayo sa YouTube. Ingat kayo, ah. Salamat kaayo. Salamat kaayo. Huwag niyo ako tinatawanan, ah.
Thank you po.
Salamat kaayo. Bye. Peace.
Thank you po.
Yo, what's up?
¿Qué rollo?
Where you at?
Bueno, ¿hablas español?
Un poquito.
Sí,
Pues,
porque yo no hablo nada de inglés.
¿Nada?
Nada.
¿Dónde estás, güey?
Aquí en mi camioneta.
¿En México?
En México,
¿De qué parte, güey?
Ciudad Juárez.
Juárez. Ah. Soy filipino.
Órale.
Filipino.
Yo, órale.
Pacquiao, ¿no? Pacquiao.
¿Qué te iba a decir?
¿Qué piensas? ¿Dónde soy?
Yo pensé que eras como de Honduras o no sé.
Honduras. Oh, sí.
Sí.
¿Qué
Pero allá-
estás haciendo aquí?
Nada, pues hablando con las personas. Todo aburrido.
¿Aburrido? ¿A qué hora está?
¿A qué horas es aquí?
Ahí.
Son las 8
¿De la
Feria.
mañana?
de la mañana.
Ah. Son las 11 aquí de la mañana.
¿En qué parte de Estados Unidos estás?
En el este, Carolina del Norte. ¿Sabes? ¿Dónde?
Órale.
I know like a Valentine, and nobody they make my temperature rise. If I leave, I'm a good die, I swear. Now you they give me oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest.